Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to turn off dark mode in Notion. This is very simple, just follow my steps. First step is to go right here to the left top corner and click on your workspace name. This will expand this menu and here you will have to click on Settings. Now you will have to go to Preferences right here and then click on Appearance, where you can customize how Notion looks on your device. Click on Dark and select the light. You can also have selected Use System Settings, but be aware, if your system settings is dark, it will also be dark. So click on Light to make sure you turn off dark mode completely. And now, as you can see, you are in light mode. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.